I am excited to announce a smartphone with not one, not two, but 5 Zeiss lenses. It is an absolute pleasure to introduce to you the all-new, highly anticipated Nokia 9 PureView. 2 out of these 5 cameras are color or RGB, delivering excellent vibrant color information, while the other 3 are monochrome. Monochrome cameras have a distinct advantage to them. They do not filter for that red, green, and blue, but they capture the entire spectrum of light. This allows us to capture 2.9 times light for each sensor. The imaging coprocessor can instruct all of the 5 cameras independently, adjusting the white balance and exposure across the scene. Every capture with Nokia 9 PureView takes at least 1 simultaneous picture with all of the 5 cameras, delivering you imaging information worth of 60 megapixels. But depending on the scene, we can go all the way up to 240 megapixels. Typical smartphone uses the CPU to process the images, while we use the ISP, DSP, CPU, and GPU at the same time with optimal workload. The end result is 3 times faster noise reduction and 10 times lower power consumption. The Nokia 9 PureView delivers stellar, unprecedented dynamic range. I'm talking about 12.4 stops. I'm talking about a 12 megapixel depth map across the entire scene with 1,200 layers. We then use machine learning to scale these layers to become effectively an infinite amount of layers of depth, ranging from 7 centimeters all the way to 40 meters. For those of you who want to be in creative control, the Nokia 9 PureView will create a raw image of unprecedented quality. Now you get in DNG format all of those 12.4 stops and all of the detail from the 5 cameras. We will develop together with Adobe and shortly release a custom lens profile, further enhancing the raw capture experience with your Nokia 9 PureView. You can now go to Google Photos and edit the refocus and decide what kind of a blur or bokeh effect you wanted for your picture. Since we have those 3 native monochrome cameras capturing that 2.9 times more light, we can perform image fusion with simply these cameras, delivering an extraordinary amount of detail. The Nokia 9 PureView is milled out of a single block of 6000 series aluminum, giving you excellent structural reliability. We then anodize and polish the frame for the beautiful midnight blue finish. The aluminum is made by vacuum-molded 3D Gorilla Glass 5 on the back and sculpted Gorilla Glass 5 on the front. Where these 2 materials are perfectly fused together, we've added our signature diamond cuts. On the note of biometric authentication, we have a fingerprint sensor under the display, as well as face unlock. The Nokia 9 PureView will be available in the stunning midnight blue that I'm holding in my hand, with the 6 GB RAM, 128 GB ROM memory configuration, priced at an average global retail price of $699. The Nokia 9 PureView will be available during March, and we will be starting pre-orders for the Nokia 9 PureView in selected markets immediately.
Smartphones. They don't seem to be getting smarter, but glitchier, shorter lived, higher priced.